Hello everyone. It is often we generally miss this word formatting before sharing data with our manager, with our subordinates, or with any person who is outside the organization. It is very important for us to understand this. See, whether being a project manager, data analyst, or business analyst, we are very good to represent the data, right? But if our raw material is not in the right format, we are in creating some other image in front of the other person. For example, if you see this data, it is not in the right format. At some places you can see the font color, some places you see font size or font type is different, or at some places this number is in dollar, or at some places it is border, right? So we are going to fix this thing today. We are going to learn how to format the data in the standard format. My name is Pankaj. I'm working in one of the leading edutech firm as a project manager. It's been more than 4 years I'm working on spreadsheet, Excel, SQL, and this is my first video where I'm trying to help to the other people, entry level people who are entering into the job, to avoid the mistake which I did during my first year. So without wasting any time, let's start. So what we want to do, we want to make sure this data contains the same type, same font size, same font type. There should not be any borders in between. If this number is in number type, then it should not contain any dollar, right? If it is in rupee, then it should be in rupee only. In between it should not be in dollars, right? So let's try to fix. First of all, let's freeze our first row, because if you see here, our first row is the heading of this data. So how we freeze the first row? Simply click on view, then freeze, and first row. First row is freeze now. Now we want to make sure that the complete data is in the same font type. Now we want to make sure that the complete data is in the same font type. So simply click here. Here you have to click, go to font types and select Arial, or you can select the other any font type you can select from here. Let's go for Open Sans. Right, this is the same font type we have throughout the sheet. Even in the blank cell, when you try to enter something, it will come in the font Open Sans only. The complete sheet has the same font type now. Now let's see, if you see here, the font size is different. You want to make sure the complete sheet has the font size same. So simply again you have to select the complete sheet by click here, go here, and font size should be 10. It is 10 now, right? Now if you see here, the font color is there. We don't want to have any font color, so simply go here and reset the font color. Font color is reset. As we saw at one of the places, border was there. Here is the border. Now if you want to make sure the complete sheet should have border, then go here and select the complete border throughout the sheet. If you want to remove the border, you have to go here and select the remove the border. Simple. Now if you see here, we wanted to remove this dollar. So the complete number system should have, in numbers only. So go to format, click on number, and it should be number only, not dollars. So it is in numbers now. Now if you want to remove this 6.00, if you want to shift this 00, then go here and decrease decimal places. Simple. Done. Now if you see here, at some places I can see the italic font is there. I want to remove the italic font type also. So again you have to select the complete sheet, go here, click on italic. Now everything in italic, click again. Now everything in non-italic. Italic is removed, that means, right? The complete data is in the right format as of now, but let's check again. Oh no, as you see here, the font cell colors, we have to remove the cell colors too, because it is not in my other places. So again select the complete sheet, go here, fill color, and reset. Now I can say that the complete sheet has the same format, and now you can share with your superiors or subordinates to use this data. Guys, it is very important to have this. Whenever you are sharing data with anyone, it should contain a same format. We generally tend to miss this because our representations are very good in terms of charts, in terms of presentation, but it is always important to make sure that whatever we are sharing with the other person, they should not find any mistakes over there. Right? With the same intention, I have created this video. In the next video, we are going to use the same data. We are going to learn how to analyze the data. This data we are planning to analyze. So stay tuned. Thank you so much. Have a good day.